you. Yes, you.
Could you do me a favor? Great. Now the favor, act like I'm the worst creator alive. Please be serious about this. I want to see y'all's acting. Here's how to do this. I pushed a baby off a cliff. January through May are gonna be my biggest offenders. June through September, you guys are gonna be my biggest rivals, or haters. And October through December, you guys are gonna act confused. Good luck! Cosmo, out.